How to become an affiliate marketer. Type the partners.hkrtrainings.com. Then click sign up here. We will fill our basic details. Click on the next. In second step we select the category moving forward. Here we fill any of your channels. I am filling my YouTube channel URL, then click on the finish. We create the account successfully. Check the inbox for the verification. Yeah, I got the verification email. Click on the verify email. Click here to log in. Log in. Come down. Click the generate link. Copy the link and paste in the new tab. You could choose any course of your choice for affiliate marketing. I am choosing Pega course. Copy this link and promote it on digital platforms. When we got back to the dashboard, we could see the clicks, conversions, and sales. When someone clicks on the link shared by me on digital platforms and takes the course, it generates conversion and sales. Then I would get 40% commission on every sale. Yeah, this is great opportunity for affiliate marketers.